everyone. Yo guys, what up? I'm on my way to work. Just grabbed me some shots. I'm using the Canon EOS M with the magic lantern. I'm gonna shoot 14-bit raw 1080p and just shooting. Nothing special going on in this video. Just wanted to grab some shots. Figure I'll share them out with you guys. Peace. So my main focus today was practicing to get focus basically using Magic Lantern and the focus peaking add-on. Typically I always use a manual lens, and focusing with the manual lens feels a lot better. Right now I'm using my 18 to 55 Sony Canon kit lens, and it has like electronic focusing, and it just doesn't feel good at all. Like, it's really hard, so I really have to rely on my focus peaking settings inside of Magic Lantern. So I'm out here trying to figure out a good zone or when I know something's in focus versus when I'm not, and the only way you can do that is by practicing something, you know, over and over and over. So I figure out, instead of just having the footage sit on my computer, I might as well just go ahead and upload it and share it. I'll show you a quick screenshot of all my settings that I used inside of Magic Lantern, and you got to have a kind of a quick card to get, you know, the best results out of this. My card I'm using is a SanDisk 62 gig 170 megabytes. It's the most important, the right speed. You want a higher speed, so 170 megabytes is pretty much good. I've had really good results using this speed. So hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you smash that like button. Hey, if you're not subbed here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Keep filming. It's the only way you'll get better. Peace.